D10 Plus Robot Vacuum is a high-end robotic vacuum cleaner that offers a number of features that make it a great choice for homes of all sizes. 4,000 Pascal suction. The D10 Plus has a powerful suction motor that can easily pick up dirt, dust, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. LiDAR navigation. The D10 Plus uses LiDAR to map out your home and create a cleaning path. This ensures that the vacuum cleans every area of your home thoroughly. Self-emptying base. The D10 Plus comes with a self-emptying base that automatically empties the vacuum's dustbin after each cleaning. This is a great feature that makes it easy to keep the vacuum clean and running smoothly. Mopping. The D10 Plus can also be used to mop your floors. It has a water tank and mop pad that can be used to wet and clean your floors. The D10 Plus performs well in all areas. It has strong suction that can pick up even the smallest particles. The LiDAR navigation system is accurate and efficient, and the self-emptying base is a great convenience. The mopping feature is also effective, and it can be used to clean up light messes. Pros: powerful suction, accurate LiDAR navigation, self-emptying base, mopping feature. Cons: can be noisy, can be expensive. The Dreametech D10 Plus Robot Vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-end robotic vacuum cleaner that offers a number of features that make it easy to clean your home. It has strong suction, accurate navigation, and a self-emptying base. The mopping feature is also a nice bonus. Get it with a discount on Amazon, link in the description.